Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fit these chrome pedals onto your car or VW van. It's a really cheap fix. I got them off eBay. I think it was about £10–15, so hopefully it's going to improve the look, and I was recommended these by the Cornish caddy camper, which is Ella on Instagram, so I'll drop her link below. But yeah, she's got loads of good stuff that she's modifying with her caddy as well, so go check out her Instagram. But yeah, let's get on and I'll show you how to put them on. So to start with, you want to ensure that all your footwell is nice and clean, so it's easier to work on. So for the clutch pedal and the brake pedal, these two will simply just replace them. So I'll pop these two off and these two will just slide back on top. And then with the accelerator pedal, this one simply slides over the top of the accelerator there, and then it has some clips on the side that you'll need to bend round to secure it in place to make sure it's nice and solid. So let's go ahead and just peel these off. There's that one there on the clutch and the brake. So they came off pretty easy. I did loosen them up before the video just to check. And then these should just pop over, so they've got little tabs. They just go in the two holes there. And I'd get a rag as well, just to make sure you clean it all up before putting the new one on. So there's a little lip at the bottom, and then there's two spikes that go through these holes. So you just want to clip it over underneath the bottom there, and then pop it through the two holes, and then clamp it down. So this one, you've got a little lip at the bottom. You've got a little groove that will go into this groove here, and then you've got this sticky out tongue bit that's going to go through that hole there. So make sure you just line everything up, get it around the tab at the bottom, and push it into the hole, and that should go in nicely. It's quite a tight squeeze. It needs to be being your brake. That's on there, nice and tight. The accelerator pedal, you want to ensure those little clips on the side here will clip onto the edge of this bit here, and then these tabs just run down the side, and then we can bend them over at the end. So make sure all the rubber on the inside is lined up, the tabs are sticking out. Catch on this edge first, and then simply push it into place. That seems to be pretty secure, like that. It's nice down. So the next step is I just need to bend these tabs over into place to secure it. So now I'm just going to push on the edge of these just to make sure it's all clamped in position. So when you've got that all nice and secure, the final step is obviously just to peel off this blue stuff. So there you go guys, that is how you fit your aftermarket chrome pedals to your VW car or van. I hope that has helped you guys out. I hope it's easy enough to follow along. If you like the video, please hit that like button, and please subscribe to the channel to help support it for more videos in the future. But I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.